so funny.
Yes.
I didn't know Ryan Panetta was an introvert.
Yeah,
He
he
said that in his
is.
videos, an introvert. I was like, that is so crazy because as introverts, our energy feels drained when we're around extroverts all
Yeah.
the time, but we do love the in-depth conversation. So when we're on camera, it's our chance to be an extrovert without really having to, maybe it's in a selfish way, without having to listen to someone else because you're just talking to camera. But this is very energizing though
Yeah.
for us, of course, is the
Y-
conversation.
You know what I really feel it is? I think creating content for me, because I am pretty introverted, actually, I can force myself to be extroverted because I can be very
The same,
friendly.
yeah.
But in terms of creating content, it's probably the one creative outlet that I have
Mm-hmm.
that I can go to that I feel that serves me, makes me feel good, but also has a chance to help other people too, just whether entertainment or education. Whereas if I were to draw or do art, paint, I don't think I would scratch the itch as much, so
I
to
see.
say.
Yeah, because when you're creating content, you're talking, you're essentially you're working your muscle of talking, being
Mm-hmm.
social, because we don't get that enough.
Yeah.
Maybe we don't crave it as much as a lot of other people. That's interesting that you say that.